Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitLab CI, manage continuous integration pipelines step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for GitLab. Press the Enter key to navigate to the GitLab homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the box for Remember Me. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your GitLab dashboard. To manage continuous integration pipelines, navigate to your project on the dashboard. Locate the CI/CD section in the left-hand menu. Click on Pipelines to access your continuous integration pipelines overview. Here, you will see a list of all existing pipelines for your project. To create a new pipeline, click the Run Pipeline button. Select the desired branch you want to build from. Click on the Run Pipeline button again to initiate the process. Your new pipeline request will now be queued and processed. You can monitor the status of your pipeline in real time from this page. If needed, click on any pipeline entry to view detailed logs and history. You have now successfully logged into GitLab CI and are managing continuous integration pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.